It's 9 o'clock in the morning, Friday, October 1, 2021. Brand new heat pump, heating and air conditioned heat pump system. It's off for the moment. We're going to turn it on. So this is the heat pump system. This is the heat pump, air conditioner and heat unit. This is a 12,000 BTU heating and air conditioner heat pump system. And this one here controls in the living room. This is the living room 12,000 BTU air conditioner and heat unit heat pump. And here we have a heat pump, air conditioner and heat unit for the kitchen unit. And this one here is a 9,000 BTU. So this is the heat pump, air conditioner and heat unit, 9,000 BTU, kitchen unit. They call these outdoor condenser units. So this is a heat pump. So when you put the air conditioner in heat mode, what happens is there's a reversing valve in the air conditioner itself. So the refrigerant and the refrigerant basically it. So when the air conditioner's in heat or cool mode, what happens is the refrigerant just gets reversed in the opposite direction. So therefore, you have the heat going on the inside and the cold air going on the outside of the air conditioner here. Or if you have it in air condition mode and cool mode, then it's the refrigerants in reverse again. You have hot air blowing out the condenser unit, outdoor condenser, and then you have cold air blowing in the indoor evaporator air handler indoor air conditioner unit that has heat on it. This system here does not have electric heat on it, but it does have heat pump on it, so it's really good. So we are going to use there's the kitchen air conditioner unit, 9,000 BTU with heat on it. And my existing brand new window air conditioner unit, so 12,000 BTU, and this is my brand new portable air conditioner unit, 12,000 BTU. And so with the air conditioners here, there's a 12,000 BTU window unit. It cools up to 550 square feet So that's a 12,000 BTU air conditioner. And then this here, I have a 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner. And it actually cools up to 450 square feet. So I'm basically downgrading by 100 square feet less. But still pretty good. I mean, I don't think my room's any bigger than maybe like 75 square feet. So this air conditioner will cool the room no problem. In the living room. And here's the air conditioner in the living room and the 12,000 BTU unit. We're gonna turn them on and test them out, see how it works. And my internet is out. Okay, air conditioner's on now. It's on heat mode. It's on heater mode. I don't know if you can hear it. It's very quiet. It's on low speed right now. It's on heat mode. We're actually set on the highest setting for the moment. So it's set on 86 Fahrenheit, which would be 30 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, it's hot. Burning me. It's hot. So that's the that is the 12 that this is the living room unit, 12,000 BTU air conditioner and heat unit, heat pump system. And it doesn't seem to have I kind of wish it displayed Celsius, but it doesn't. It only displays Fahrenheit. So oh wow, but it's still good though, can't complain. Remote control. Excuse me for the traffic on the main street. Traffic is very loud today. It's interrupting my air conditioner video. So here is the living room air conditioner unit, 12,000 BTU. As you just seen the inside air handler. So it's on right now. It's on heat mode right now. Everybody just be quiet for a minute because I'm trying to film an air conditioner here. Thank you. It's on. It's on heat mode. It's on heat mode. It's blowing cold air. Heat pump, heating and air conditioning system, 12,000 BTU living room unit, mini split unit. Energy. Uh-oh. I don't think I'll get cancer today, but maybe in 100 years. So this is the 12,000 BTU heating and air conditioner heat pump system. It's on. Wowzers, that's so cool. That is awesome. There's the side of it too there. The sides of it. Back of it. That's all it is. And get off my air conditioner, bugs out of bug. Get off it. Get off that thing. That damn thing. That little bugs out of bug likes that air conditioner. Get off it. Jiggling, 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 jingle bells. That main street's getting crazy this morning. Oh yeah, that thing there, it's throwing out a lot of heat. It's working very good. Oh yeah, no problem. This thing should work down to about, if you're lucky, maybe down to about -8 degrees Celsius. Well, they say -5 degrees Celsius, -5. But if you're lucky, maybe -8, maybe. If it's -10 outside, you probably have to use electric baseboard heat, but it's on. There, fans on high right now. It's on full blast. And I'm gonna turn down the thermostat here. Let's set it at we'll set it at 72 Fahrenheit or 22 degrees Celsius. And look at that, just turned off because it's on auto mode. Actually, it's still on. It's off. And I don't know if you can see that, it's blurry, but you know, that's the 12,000 BTU. Okay, so it's off for the moment. So this unit here has heating and air conditioning. And the lowest setting it can go down to is 61 Fahrenheit. Highest setting it can go up to is 86 Fahrenheit. And Celsius, that would be a low setting of 16 degrees Celsius and a very high setting of 30 degrees Celsius, which is very, very warm. The air conditioner and heat unit in the kitchen. And it's set on at 86 heat on 86 Fahrenheit degrees Celsius automatic, or in Celsius would be 30 degrees Celsius, which is too warm. So this is the indoor kitchen air handler, air conditioner and heat unit, heat pump system. And this air conditioner here for the kitchen puts out a maximum of BTUs of 9,000 BTU. And this little unit here will cool the kitchen no problem. And that's all it is. It's on. And let's go out, take a look at the outdoor condenser unit, which is out here on the back deck. So you have a nice backyard here too. The window's closed. It's not open. Just to show you our kitchen here. Table, stove, washing machine and dryer. So that's all it is. And view outside the window. I'm right across the street from the Charlotte Lake Country Inn and Crossing Pub at the hotel, and just minutes from the beach. So there's the 9,000 BTU air conditioning heat unit. There's my satellite receiver for the bedroom. I had to disconnect everything from the satellite dish because of the air conditioner and because of the air conditioner project. And you got your okay, so here is the heat pump, heating and air conditioner unit that cools and heats the kitchen, and it's a 9,000 BTU. That's the kitchen window. Wowzers, and it's on right now. I don't know if you can hear it. The view of the backyard here. And I don't know if you can hear it one end, but it's pretty quiet. But it is on right now. It's on. You have the compressor one in? Hear it?